So I'm Brandon out here at Harley-Davidson of Fargo this weekend. Saturday we have our fall open house. Stop on out. We're going to have free pancakes. We're going to kick off the day with free pancakes from 9 to 10:30. Bring your whole family. We'll feed them. We got a dyno shootout starting at 9, run until 4. Service department's going to be doing a 21-point inspection, safety inspection on your motorcycle. Bring that on out. We have radio upgrades as well. Used bike blowout, number of bikes below clean trade for retail units. 10:30 we're going to have an FXRG seminar along with the new GTS radio. If you haven't been able to check that new radio out, it's a must. It's super nice. It's got CarPlay. We're going to go over the module that works with the Bluetooth headsets. 11:30 to 1:30 we're going to have the chili dog feed. 3 to 5 is happy hour. Shootout winner is going to be announced Saturday at 4:45 over by the happy hour table. And then we're going to be giving away this Monster Moto at 4:45. We'll see you Saturday. Thanks.